Hey, I'm Elias, and I'm coming to you from one of the best Ethiopian restaurants in Connecticut. We're talking Lalibela, New Haven. So before we leave Connecticut, I had to stop at one more place. So my first impressions are, it's a nice, cozy place. It's nice, it's clean. I love the artwork. They're playing some nice, soft Ethiopian music in the background. I love that. If you've never had African food, it's a good way to be introduced to African food, is trying Ethiopian food. There are so many parts in Africa, so many different areas. And in America, Ethiopian food is the part of Africa that people seem to enjoy most here in America. There's plenty of Ethiopian restaurants, and that's what most people are familiar with here in America when it comes to African cuisine. Ooh. Oh, wow, that is beautiful. Oh, the smell of Doro. I love it. I'm so happy. Thank you. Oh, man, thank you. Before I enjoy my meal, I had an opportunity to speak with the owner.
My name is Shalamat Tasama. I am the owner and the chef Lalibela Ethiopian Restaurant. You know, I grew up with a big family, so my mother taught me how to cook properly Ethiopian food. It's just, love what I do, and I enjoy the customer when you get a feedback, and then, we offer vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, seafood, chicken, beef, authentic Ethiopian food. Oh, Ethiopian cuisine has the best vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, and you name it. Our bread is special. Just only we make it in Ethiopia. It's gluten-free.
What's special about injera bread? What makes it so special?
Injera?
And what does it mean? What does it mean to Ethiopians?
Oh, that's the main food we eat in Ethiopia. Has a, it's teff flour. It's it's very very tiny.
The seed is so tiny.
Yeah,
It's amazing. That little tiny seed can do that much.
Yeah, and gluten free. So a lot of people has now a lot of allergy. So to find gluten free vegan dishes is very rare.
Yeah.
So yeah.
How important is Burberry to Ethiopian cuisine?
Burberry is the main ingredient in Ethiopian cuisine.
So here we have lentils with Burberry, and then we have spinach and potatoes. We also have cabbage and potatoes, and in the middle, dorowat. What we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a piece of injera. Wow, look at that. Look at that. That's cabbage, cabbage, potatoes. Look at that. Mmm. 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 Wow. So let's have another bite. Have another bite of the cabbage. Mmm. has like an acidic kick to it, almost like if it was fermented a little bit. Interesting. That's delicious. Crisp cabbage, refreshing, soft potato, good texture there. But I love that. It has like this acidic zing. All right, now let's try the spinach potato mixture. Oh no, I mixed it with some Doro. All right, there it is. There it is. That's the spinach potatoes. Oh, taste the spinach, well cooked, simple seasonings. That also has a little zing to it. It's almost like a lemon acidic flavor. Makes sense, spinach and lemon go well together, and then the potatoes. That's really nice. It's really nice. I also love the artwork on the plates, the Ethiopian artwork. Thought it was very beautiful. All right, let's try these lentils here. All right, so here's the lentils. Lentils and Burberry seasoning. That Burberry is so special. It's Ethiopia's main seasoning. It's so delicious. It has so many spices. There could be up to like sometimes 16 or more spices in there. But you get a little heat. You get that. You get a little heat, you get that smokiness. There's some paprika, maybe smokiness in there. That was delicious. Those are some good lentils. That Burberry is right on. All right, time to try Doro Wok. You gotta get in there. Yeah, your fingers you gotta get in there. That is so unique, so special. It's like a slight smoky tang. Oh, you can taste the paprika in there. You can taste all those spices that work so well together. Cloves, cinnamon, stuff like that in here. Oh, this is fantastic. Yeah, you're gonna have messy fingers, so no decorum in here. Hey, so if you're ever in New Haven, I highly recommend Lalibela in New Haven. Ethiopian food was amazing. The owner is amazing. The people there were amazing. Great hospitality. I highly recommend Lalibela if you come to New Haven.